Hi guys, how you doing? I've been busy with this 1969 VW bus. So yesterday I just thought, let me not just turn the camera on. I was changing this wheel right here. No, it's not this one. Changing this wheel right here. This is the original one that comes with the car. It has this 5 nuts or 5 bolts that goes with it. So I don't have a wheel that goes with that. I don't have a what do you call a ring that goes with that. That setting. This is the kind of ring that I have, so I had to change this one. So now it's still hooked with this handbrake. So I don't want to take it off because it's gonna give me a lot of trouble take it in back in. So for now I'll just be using this one. So that's what I was busy with yesterday, taking this one off and putting this one in, so that I can put this car in this room. I want to prime it. So for now I was busy with this right here. Focus. I was scraping it, as you can see, with this grinder. What size is this? What size is this? I think it's a I'm not sure what size it is, but it works perfectly to get to the rust. Like here a lot of rust, and here also, and then here also it had a lot of rust, so I got rid of it. So even as you can see here, and also here you might just cut this side and put a new and weld another side here, and then also here, and also here I grind it. Then we're left with this side. So I don't know, but today just wanted to finish this side only. Maybe I'll make another video doing that other side back there. So yeah, I got this spray, Rust-On-Oleum, so it blocks the rust from coming back. So what we're going to do, like here, I don't want to grind it because it's gonna eat the metal. This is just surface rust, it's not that much. So I'm gonna use this Rust-On-Oleum to spray it. So it'll just be like this. I don't mind if it runs, because we're still going to sand it. For now I just want to get rid of the rust, so that when it rains, because here it was almost winter, but now we're going to spring, so you might get fog in the morning. So I don't want it to catch rust. Like here I want to just spray it like that, and here also. So just be going step by step with this. These spots where there was rust, Sorry guys, this doesn't want to focus. Focus. I don't mind the runs because I'm just gonna prime it again. I have a primer, so I'm gonna prime it, but for now just want to get rid of the rust. So let's continue spraying it here. This door is super rusted, doesn't want to get off. And here, this one's here, they don't want to get off. So I don't know what I should use. If you guys know something that I can use to get these things off, because I tried putting something that goes in here, try turning it, it just straps the nuts. So don't know, even thought of cutting it, maybe getting another handle. So I don't know, but as you can see, we still have a lot of work to do, but bit by bit I'll just be going that side with my project. It might take a couple of weeks for me to show this bus again, because for now, like I said, I just want to get rid of the rust so that if it rains, that the metal doesn't catch rust like this. If it rains, then it's gonna rust again. So with this spray, it stops it from rusting. If you want to see what this bus used to look like, you can go back to my videos. I think I showed it a while back. The savable bus, I was not sure if it was savable, but I just said, let me just try it. You never know. We'll see where it takes me. But for now, I think, we might save it bit by bit. That's why I'm saying that I'll not be going full out on this bus. I'll just be going, if I have some free time, I'll just work on it, and then maybe just forget about it, because it needs a lot of work. So stay tuned for more videos on this bus to come. And also have another buses that I'll be working on, and another engine is a Beetle engine. Just needs a starter. As soon as I get a starter, I'll do a wheel run on it. I'll see if it starts or what. So for now, I'll just continue working on this bus. Stay tuned. I'll probably bring out a new video maybe in a weeks to come on the end product of this bus. When I've sprayed it all, even here it needs grinding, get rid of the rust. I'll grind it here, even here I'll grind it. As you can see the front down there, I'll grind it, maybe cut it, and then get a new metal. Even here where the windshield's gonna stay, I'll probably just grind it, put this Rust-Linoleum spray to stop it from rusting further. I took out the door, so I worked on it. I sprayed it. In here, I grind it, I think, a couple of months back, so it caught rust again. So that's what I was afraid of. And here you can see I was using a grinder, so it caught rust again. Even here I'm going to finish this one, so stay tuned, guys, to see the end product. I think probably I might finish it today. If I don't finish today, maybe tomorrow, but I just want to get rid of the rust now, and so that I can work on the body without worrying about the rust. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos. Like the video if you do like it. Well, thanks again for watching, guys. Bye.